welcome back. It is Chin Tweezy with a brand new video. So what I'm going to do today is something a little bit different. I haven't done one of these in years, but this is one of the most anticipated trainers I've ever had, ever had. So I'm going to unbox it and then I'm going to do a full review. I would really like you to hit some likes if you enjoy this video, if you've got the same kind of enjoyment and passion as I have, and then I'll do a full review in much more detail to give the trainer what it deserves. What we have here is a Diadora N9000 times pack of shoes times Raekwon from Wu-Tang Clan, friends and family, only built for Cuban Links. So here we have, get rid of those details, what you can see, and this is something else. I just never thought I'd get these in hand, and I've never seen a container like these. I'm hoping that they will fit me because I went for a half size up my usual, but I guess we'll have to get that in more detail. Let's get the box out of here. This is exactly as they come. Side 1, side 2, purple tapes part 2. Let's unzip this here. This is it. Wow. Purple tape. Raekwon. Nice shape. I'm hoping I might have gone for the wrong size, but that is what it is. I'll have to work that out. 1995 in purple. So yeah, I'm going to go over these in much more detail because such a special trainer, Wu-Tang Clan, such a special hip-hop group. Look at that there. Look at the details on this. Is it pony hair here? Nice little details in there. So yeah, more detail of this to come. If you're interested, please subscribe to my channel, hit that bell notification so as soon as I upload the review, you'll know exactly when. As always, I appreciate you watching the video and we'll see you on the next one.